Just to the right of the alert section, you can see the column category data fields. Now, these columns don't have a single data point, they have multiple data points. For example, the Amazon column displays information regarding Amazon. If Amazon has been in stock, if they're currently being sold by Amazon, Amazon's highest and lowest buy box price, and their average pricing over the last 30, 90, and 180 days. The next column is the sales volume category. You can see the BSR, the averages, the category, and the drops over the last 30, 90, 180, and 365 days. The score ultimately is derived by how many sales this ASIN gets. The column directly after this is the offers category column. It displays a lot of important information regarding the other sellers on this ASIN. How many buy box contenders there are, the current seller price, and how many FBA and FBM offers there are. It also gives you a recommendation of how many ASINs you could be selling considering the competition. The last column is probably one of the most interesting ones. It's the break-even strength category. The break-even strength category tells you what your break-even price is. This is the number that is shown here, but ultimately it gives you a lot of information, but it also gives you an important analysis on the break-even strength. Notice if a break-even strength is good, that means you've had historical profit. But if it's bad, it means historically it's been a loss. And you can clearly see this information by looking at the chart data. Notice this one here, which has a poor break-even strength, is historically at a loss. Whereas if we go to one that's been historically profitable, for example, this one right here, we can see the majority of the data displays that it has been profitable, well above our break-even line.